This is Liana and Steven from Florida. What do you say, guys?
Keep it realistic.
Welcome back to Realistic Fishing. Man, it's cold. And as you can see behind me, there's a ton of snow on the ground. Normally, this isn't a big deal, right? I'm from Chicago. I'm used to being cold. But here in Tennessee, they don't salt or plow the roads. At least not in neighborhoods like this that aren't on the main street. So what that means is, sorry guys, no fishing today. I can't even get out of my neighborhood. So we're doing something a little different today. We're just walking around in the yard, checking out the snow. Yep, this is what I mean. The road is still covered in snow and ice. So, here we are in the studio once again, and I need to find something to talk about for 10 minutes. Something fishing related, of course, and I just happen to have a few items to show you. I picked them up at 3 different locations. Let's see what we got. First item. Do you know what these are? You shove them in the ground and rest your fishing rod in here and watch to see if you get a bite. These are actually quite interesting because you can change how tall they are. You want one that's almost 3 feet tall? Great. You want one 1 foot tall? Maybe somewhere in between? What's really cool about it is that it locks into place. See that little pin right there? That keeps it from collapsing down on itself. So, you can lock it into varying degrees of tallness, which I think is super cool.
I'm Tammy from Texas, and you're watching Realistic Fishing. Keep it realistic.
And these were a good deal at Rural King. I don't know if you guys have a Rural King near you. It's kind of like Tractor Supply. It's mostly farm stuff. But they have a small fishing section, and they used to have a lot of good deals. Not so many anymore. I used to get gulp minnows there, but I think they're up to like $9 a jar, so hell no on that. But this was $1.98. So I bought 3 of them for $6. Maybe I'll do some more catfishing this season. I'm not exactly sure, but this is perfect for that. Just cast them out, set them up in the rod holder, and watch for that bite. Alright, the next item I have is an Abu Garcia Cardinal 663 GT spinning combo, brand new in the box. It was never opened. You can see here, it was $21 from Walmart in 1989. This reel was for sale for $21 in 1989, but I bought it for $10 from an antique store. Someone just happened to have this in their booth for $10, and I had to get it. I don't know if I'm going to use it or maybe just hang it up somewhere here in the studio because it looks so cool being in the box. Have any of you out there fished with the Abu Garcia Cardinal? Looks pretty high tech for 1989, I gotta say. And $10, I think it was a good deal, so I picked it up. Last but not least, we have a few items from Teemu. Someone always comments, "I don't trust Teemu, the stuff's so cheap." Yeah, I don't know if you've realized, but fishing stuff is so effing expensive right now. There's a snowball's chance in hell that I'm paying $7 or $8 for a pack of soft plastics. Or $16 for a chatterbait? You gotta be shitting me. So instead I go online and I look for deals on stuff I think I could catch fish on. And that's fun for me because I can keep the show going without going broke.
I'm Wyatt. I'm Penelope. Keep it realistic.
So, let's check out the 3 items I got from Teemu. First one is called Fishing Lure. Yes, fishing lure. This is how they can sell it at such low prices. No brand name, no spokesperson, no marketing, nothing. All it is the product straight from Chinese manufacturers. A lot of these are made by companies that make the baits you buy right now. You just don't know it. All the names, all the marketing has been stripped off the product. But check it out. I see people fishing with this. This little 1.5 inch worm right here. I see people fishing with this. Except I have a feeling that they paid a lot more than I did. This is like a 50 pack. I think it was $1.69. Here's another one. Some plastic worms. Full-time killer. Full-time killer, that is a crazy name for some plastic worms from China. Let's check them out. Oh my god, it stinks. It stinks like fish food or power bait or something. Look at this. This actually looks like a red worm. It might be able to catch a fish, especially with that smell. Wow. Let's close this back up. That is very intense. I'm not sure what scent they have on there, but it's pretty intense. So yeah, no fancy marketing, no big names attached. You can get a package like this, I think same price, $1.79. And last but not least, I got a new thermometer. This is a digital fish tank thermometer, but I take it out with me fishing in the springtime to check those water temperatures.
This is Slash Gills from the Juggalo Fishing Posse, and you're watching Realistic Fishing. Keep it realistic.
You can toss it off the end of a dock. You could even toss it into the water right next to the bank if you want an idea how warm the water is. It's going to be a little bit cooler as you get deeper, but it will give you a sense of what's going on. We're looking for that magic 55 to 65, maybe 70 degree range. That's when all the big fish will start coming back. That's why I picked up one of these. And this cost about $2.79. So strange haul today, right? Got the really old reel, a couple of cheap worms from Teemu, the thermometer, and some rod holders. Hey, it's snowing outside. I can't make it to the lake. This is gonna have to do for now. Oh yeah, and Sammy, send me an email. You won the giveaway on the last video. Send me an email. And thanks for watching Realistic Fishing. Keep it realistic. Yay. How exciting.